Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the Feng Shui Theory channel. I am Master Paws. Selecting a name that resonates with luck and positive energy is an art that taps into the meanings of Chinese characters and their connections with the five elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Based on a person's birth details, we discern the elements needed to sculpt a name that's a beacon of harmony and prosperity. And guess what? You don't have to be Chinese to have a Chinese name that enhances your positive energy. Whether you're seeking a touch of tradition or a bridge to a different culture, a well-chosen Chinese name can be a melodious note in anyone's life, bringing forth a symphony of favorable vibes. It's like donning a tailor-made charm, designed just for you. Now, let's embark on the roller coaster ride of discovering the perfect name for you. We'll need 3 key pieces of information to start this adventure. First, your birth date and time. We need these details to find out the essential elements that will shape your name. Second, gender matters in naming. So are you a sir or a madam? Lastly, it's time for the Chinese surname. Don't have one? No worries. We've got a menu of the top 100 Chinese surnames, and you get to pick your favorite. Our comprehensive report is divided into 5 sections, each offering valuable insights and a dash of excitement. Section 1. Buckle up for input and element analysis. By employing some ancient Feng Shui wisdom with your birth date and time, we'll stir up the necessary elements for your name. Here, you'll learn what ingredients make your name sizzle. Sections 2, 3, and 4. Welcome to the Feng Shui Name Boutique, where we provide not 1, not 2, but 3 suitable names based on the 3 talents 5 elements system. It's not a band name, it is a method to assess names. The 3 talents refers to the combination of the heaven element, earth element, and human element, essential tools for peeking into your destiny's playbook. The 5 elements concept represents 5 key factors that help us sketch a portrait of your overall well-being and quality of life, no crystal ball required. These sections include descriptions for different age ranges and the overall characteristics of each name, so you can choose the one that's most favorable to you. Section 5. Feeling creative? Besides the 3 fabulous Chinese names we've already given you, we also offer a mix and match option. Think of it as a build-your-own-name adventure. Pick the characters that resonate with you most, and voila, you have a unique name, hot off the press. Our skilled Feng Shui consultant, armed with ancient wisdom and a sprinkle of modern flair, will whip up an appropriate name for you, typically in less than 24 hours. This service ensures that your personalized name, crafted in line with Feng Shui principles, is delivered promptly. Explore fengshui-theory.com today, and begin your journey to enrich your life and the lives of your loved ones through the wisdom of Feng Shui. And hey, don't forget to check the description for a special coupon code that might just add a little extra sparkle to your Feng Shui adventure. If you found value in this video, do leave a thumbs up by liking, sharing, and hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for joining our Feng Shui adventure today. Until next time, keep your spirits high and minds open. See you in the next video. Meow for now.